Delve into the heart of Saudi Arabian cuisine with Al Tashreeb, a traditional and hearty dish that combines tender meat with flavorful broth and bread. This comforting meal is a staple in many Saudi homes. Ingredients: 1 pound lamb or beef, cut into chunks, 1 large onion, chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, 4 pieces of flatbread, torn into large pieces, olive oil, fresh parsley for garnish. Preparation: kolononi in a large pot. Heat olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add the meat and brown on all sides. 3. Add onions and garlic, cooking until soft. 4. Stir in tomatoes, cumin, coriander, salt, and pepper. 5. Pour in water and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until the meat is tender. 6. Place the torn flatbread in a serving dish and pour the meat and broth over it. Serving: Saudi Al Tashreeb hot, garnished with fresh parsley. Enjoy this traditional Saudi dish, perfect for a family meal or a cozy gathering.